I'm going to be unboxing this overhead phone tripod mount with a 10-inch ring light. It's adjustable up to 70 inches in height. Got it off Amazon. It was on sale. I needed something new to hold my phone in when I film these videos, because my other tripod is kind of shaky at times and I can't get as much light as I'd want it to, so we're going to try this one out. I'll do a full review in another video, but this one's just an unboxing. If you like it, there's a link in the description below to purchase it. The base is pretty solid. It's got some nice weight to it. Let's put this thing together. This clip to hold the phone does feel pretty cheap. I prefer the ones that come with a dial. One thing I don't like about it is it doesn't come with an adapter to plug it in. You have to have your own. Luckily I do. Comes with this remote, turn it on and off. You can also change the color of the light. And you can change the brightness level if you want. I'm going to film a preview of my next review just to see how much brighter it is with the light on this stand, and to see if there's less shake than the tripod I was previously using. It does look pretty good. I can notice a significant difference. Anyways, thanks for watching.